Hey guys, stretch texture is a common problem when I was just starting out using Blender. So there's basically two scenarios that cause stretch texture. First one is by moving certain face and also by extruding face. Second is by scaling the object. For example, I scale this on y-axis and it looks stretch. To prevent stretch texture from moving face or extruding it, first you need to be in edit mode and go for options and turn on correct face attributes. Now when we move this face, the texture will follow it. It's also applied when we extrude the face. For stretch texture from scaling, for example, I'm scaling on the y-axis now, and now I UV unwrap it directly. It will still look stretch. That's because you need to apply the scale first by pressing Ctrl+A, then look for scale. Now we unwrap it again, and now it's not stretch. Maybe adjust the texture scale a little bit on the shader editor, and that's it. I hope this video helpful, and I will see you guys on the next video.